Oh yeah, T, that's right. Go slow. Be dramatic. I need to add some words so it really look like I know what I'm doing or whatever. But oh yeah, turn around, girl. Let them see it. Slow. Look at the camera. Bam! All right. Yeah, cheese at them. Yeah, we slow it down. I'm trying to look like real professional like them other girls. So I hope this is working.
I'm just wondering if y'all can see my dirt in my background. Hey y'all, hey, it's time for another video today. So, I'm back with another DIY. Because obviously, y'all don't like when I cook or y'all don't like my hair. I thought maybe y'all just, whatever. I hope that y'all like this one. So this is going to be an extremely easy, no pattern, quick. When I say you're going to be like, oh damn, I'm finished already. Like, you're going to be out in the streets like I made this one this morning. Like, this is a super simple DIY. This is not my idea. Just as the rest of us. I found this on YouTube and I thought it was a great idea. I wanted to share it with my followers. So here it is. This is a knot bandeau. Now I do two different. Oh, I'm back. I'm focused. This one actually. So I do a regular, headband. Little bandeau headband that people do. But I also wanted to do this one because I'm growing my hair back. Now I know some of y'all are like, but why? Leave me alone. I cut my hair off. I had a whole waiting to exhale moment. I was like, cut it. I'm going through a breakup. Cut it. I'm going to just have it off for a year. It's been about 4 or 5 years since I cut my hair. And I've enjoyed it. But I don't know. I kind of went Rapunzel on them hoes real fast. Anyway, guys, so I'm rambling. Guys, as always, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Like, it's free, please. And put on that little bell so it shake little notifications and stuff so you know when I'm posting new videos. Also, yeah, you can like and subscribe and comment. I think I just said that, but it's cool. But anyway, I am going to give you two. One is a regular one, and like I was trying to say, one is actually the bigger one where it'll cover all of that stuff. So for some of y'all that's not getting your hair cut, sis, or bro, hey, I do not discriminate. This may be for y'all. I don't know where y'all at, but it's about to be a hurricane in Houston. All right, I'm back. Anyway, if you are interested in seeing this quick, cute DIY, stay tuned. Also, again, I'm going to tag the girl because she did the little one. It was a couple of years ago. She probably ain't even on YouTube no more. But I got to do it because y'all are ruthless. But I ain't trying to steal nobody nothing, for real. Because trust me, I got my own ideas. Oh, y'all just wait. Anyway, I'm rambling. If you want to see this cute, quick DIY, keep watching. You know when you think you're rambling and you go up to the camera and so something happening outside. I need to go see what's going on outside. Am I wet? Because I just got to tell y'all what happened that fast. I don't know if the camera's going to pick, but a whole piece of big old tree branch just fell. And by the time I said, oh, something just happened in my background, I'll be right back, I walked outside. My neighbors, they was already dragging the thing to the street. This is why I'm part of neighborhood watch because, I ain't even have a chance to get out there. They were like, we got it. I was like, y'all want like some chicken or something? I don't even know what to give y'all, but thank you. All right, guys, stay tuned to the video. I think I went this way. All right, guys, so here are the ingredients. Ingredients! Baby, obviously I got food on my mind. So these are the materials you will need for this super easy DIY. Of course, not pictured or not shown is a sewing machine or serger or both. So this fabric, I got it from Walmart. Boom, I think it was 3 yards for $6. And it has such a good stretch. This material, and I'm actually going to show you guys, this fabric actually can be used for like skirts, like stuff that you want to like, you see them curves, boo. Yeah, but it's also not forgiving because of the way it stretches. Things that you don't want to see will show with this fabric, but that's neither nor here or there. So with this fabric, you want to first of all see which way it stretches. Now, because this fabric actually has the lines going horizontal, and I wanted the headband to be horizontal. Can you please turn your car down, sir? Sorry, this is why I need another microphone. But you want to make sure that you're paying attention to the way your design is going because obviously that's going to be across your head. So that was enough stretch for the headband for me. Let me also give you a tip. If you have super stretchy fabric, take away an inch or two because when you put it on your head, it's going to look like you have like on your like old man's hat or something because yeah, that happened before. And my friend, she was like, I think my headband too big. Like it's past my ears. I was like, it's cool, sis. I got you. I'm gonna get you another one. Not really sure why I'm still stretching this fabric though. Hold on. Now that I have stretched the fabric to the gods, I want to give you guys the measurements really quick. Now,
The video that I watched, she said the head circumference, plus 6 inches. Most headbands that you buy in the store, like from Forever 21, are 25 inches long and 6 inches wide. That is what I've seen from the headbands that I purchased. So that is what this one is. It is 25 inches long by 6 inches wide. Okay. So that is those measurements, and that's what I'm doing right here. And this first video is going to be the regular one. If you want to go to the thicker one, it's at the back. Just watch the video. You know you like my voiceovers. So what you're gonna do is now fold right sides together. Now somebody laughed at the clips that I use. If you notice, I'm showing y'all the stretch. I don't know why I'm back on this stretch stuff, but you're gonna fold right sides together, and then you're gonna grab your clips, whatever you use. First off, sis, don't be judging me because I use these doggone hairpins. Let me tell you, the hair clips that people use for rollers are the best. I have gotten the quilty ones. I have the long. Hello, mama. I'm recording a video. I'll be right back, y'all. Oh, baby Jesus. That lady got a new iPhone and she got to call me every time she sets something up. So anyway, I've tried the long pins, short pins, pearl pins, everything. This works the best. So here you can zigzag. You can actually serge. I'll show you that at the end. But on this one, I use it like a quilt. I use a quilt-like stitch. You can do zigzag, sis. It's fine. So now you're going to flip it right side out. And then what we're going to do when we do that, sis. So what you want is the seam to be facing up. Let me apologize to you guys for using a printed fabric to show you guys this DIY, but this was the one I wanted to use. But again, the seam is going to be facing up. So I wanted to make sure this was going regular speed. So you're going to take the left side, bring it over and under, and you're going to bring it around. Now make sure that when you bring it around, the seams are now facing down. You're then going to take those two, make them kiss, mwah, hey sis, and then you're going to actually sew, boom, right there. Now, after you sew that, I said after you sew it, boom, we show. Yeah, girl, that's cute. So I did do a zigzag stitch for that. I don't know why I'm showing you so slow. So you can cut along the edges, and then also I'll show you towards the end where you can actually serge this, and it'll be just fine. So you'll take that knot, and the idea is to get that knot all the way around to cover the actual seam. The idea is to make this look like a seamless headband where you don't know, oh my God, how you put that together, girl? What you do? Girl, that's all you did. You just hid the seam. Y'all know we good for hiding stuff because I know I hide everything. Lord knows I be hiding my little baby good all the time. So again, like I said, you're going to bring that all the way around, and then once you get it to where you want, you'll start to pull apart, and make sure as you're pulling apart, you see how I'm fixing the knot, pull it apart, and then once you're finally satisfied, you'll pull it all the way to where it is actually tight completely and ready for you to wear in the world. Girl, you dramatic, girl, what's tea? Anyway, so bam, look at that, y'all. Like, I mean, seriously, it took me longer to record the video than to make this. But you see, no seam, sis. Seam wear, sis. I mean, they be saying lace wear, but I don't wear lace. All right, so I'm going to show y'all really fast. This is the bigger one. Now, sis, news flash, if you want a spoiler, the bigger headband is literally double the measurement. So it is, this one is actually 12 inches wide instead of the 6 inches. Boom. And I'm writing it down, but of course I have all the measurements in the description box for you. Hello, Amazon. I know I got a package coming. Don't be telling my business while I'm recording. I know some of you guys will notice that I wasn't using a ruler to cut this. I did not use a ruler with this because I was actually cheating and using the lines of the fabric. So I tried to use a ruler, but then I was like, girl, I'm going to just use these good old lines because you know me, I love imperfectly perfect things. So this, I'm showing you where I actually serge this one, and you get the exact same results. You can do, like I say, zigzag, serge, or you can do that quilting thing, but you don't have to do the quilting because I'm going to be honest, that quilting takes a long time. Same concept, guys. And right here, I'm going to show you where I serge as well. I mean, want to post like the cue music, but I realize that people, you'll post the music and it's not copywritten, and they'll come back and be like, oh, it's copywritten now. Now I'm showing y'all what I thought was a mistake because when I serged, it wasn't pinched together like evenly, and so boom, that's what happened. But y'all, why my mama calling again? Oh Lord, what app have you added now? Mama's gonna kill me for this, but I decided not to delete the voiceover where she called. Yes, ma'am.
I just want you to know that I have it connected.
Well, look at you, lady. Look at baby, that lady was happy. But anyway, I'm showing you guys, here is the difference between the headbands. Super simple. You can make both, mother-daughter, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. Get them with the woe DNC. First off, like, I probably should make more of these because I've been wearing this for the last 18 days.